So this is, as my previous speakers have explained, I think the event is slightly different this year as compared to the rest of the previous years. Nature has challenged us. We are living up to the challenge. So primarily conducting this event, 50% of the event, especially the conference part, is going to be virtual, using a virtual platform, and the rest of the expo, even expo is also mixed as part of the conference, and which you could find it as expo as a virtual platform. Evening is going to be physical, so which is going to happen in HICC. I'm going to throw some light on the morning session, especially the conference part. IT industry in Telangana represents close to $20 billion. Maybe లక్ష 28,000 కోట్లు లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ జరిగిన ఎక్స్పోర్ట్స్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి. సో తెలంగాణ ఎప్పుడు ఇయర్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఇయర్ నేషనల్ యావరేజ్ కంటే ఒక 4-5% బెటర్గానే ఉంటుంది. సో వీ విల్ ఆల్సో ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ద నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో గోయింగ్ టు బీ ఆల్మోస్ట్ సిమిలర్ ఇన్ డిస్పైట్ ఆఫ్ ద pandemic situation. So such a large industry is conducting an event. Obviously the profile of the event as well as the profile of the speakers have to be elevated. So this year we are very, very fortunate to have a lot of speakers across the globe are accepted to speak at our event. And it starts with a keynote speech by UB Praveen Rao, Chief Operating Officer of Infosys. And after that, so there is a panel discussion. We said that situations have changed. The business models are also changing. So earlier what used to happen is majority of the people are going to office and then working. Now it is, I think, 90% of the IT workforce is working from from houses, right? So now there is a possibility of acquiring the talent from anywhere. Not necessarily they need to be in Hyderabad. They can be in a tier 2 city or in a tier 3 city. And then we are seeing some of our employees actually joining from their fields as well. So sitting in front down a tree and then joining a Zoom call. So the borders have changed. So the work patterns have changed. So now we are actually looking at a newer opportunities of emergence of new business models across different verticals. Certain verticals adapt it, certain types, basically healthcare, and then we have actually Dr. Krishna Ella, I think, which is very well known name, chairman of the Bharat Biotech, who's expected to bring up the COVID vaccine soon. He's part of the panel. And then Dr. Rajiv Anand, who's the Axis Bank executive director. So he's going to talk about the changes which the COVID and the work patterns is bringing to the banking. Similarly, we're also expecting a couple of people joining from the telecom and technology areas. There is another panel discussion that which we have. So this is to do with the business models. And then the next is to do with the changes the technology is bringing, the transformation technology is going to bring in to shape the future of this IT industry. So we're going to have a CTO panel, Chief Technology Officers from various companies are joining here. And then we have Nachket Deshpande, who's a Chief Operating Officer of L&T Infotech, is going to be one of the panel speakers. Kalyan Kumar, Chief Technology Officer of HCL Technologies. And then we also have a few more joining them right now. And as we touched upon business model, we touched upon the technology-centric transformations, but I think all of these are going to impact on the talent and the workforce. The people are actually starting to do new ways of working. So we have a panel, Future of Work and then Talent Landscape, so which is being joined by a couple of people from Asia and a couple of people from Europe as well. So Nicole Williams, Future of Work leader from Deloitte, is joining here. And then Chief HR Officer Harshvardhan Soin from Tech Mahindra is joining in this panel. Okay, and this is followed by a leader note by Jan Bon. I think Barney has mentioned earlier. This gentleman is the one who has put Hyderabad map in the global landscape way back 25 years back. And the first IT park that has come up in Hyderabad is the Ban IT Park. So now you would have seen the S&S V so which was actually originally started by this gentleman. So he has accepted to do a leader note. Then I think he's going to actually culminate how the technology changes and the transformation, and then how industry is evolved. That is what he's going to talk about. And that concludes the formal virtual conference event in the morning. However, there is 150 companies are going to display their products. The product showcase is going to continue till 4 p.m. in the evening, and 5 p.m. that's the evening awards function is going to start. That's all with respect to the morning session of the conference.
Recruiting got slowed down in the month of April, May, June, July. August onwards, I think the recruiting has actually, I can say it is 90% of the level what we experienced in the month of March. Okay. మార్చ్లో 100 మెంబర్స్ని రిక్రూట్ చేస్తే ఇప్పుడు దాదాపుగా 90 మందిని రిక్రూట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఒక 4-5 మంత్స్ మాత్రం అది స్లోగా 50, 60, 70 అట్లా స్లోగా పెరుగుకుంటూ వచ్చింది. వీఆర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ దట్ లైక్ ప్రాబ్లీ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ 2 months it will even cross that demand, the pre-COVID demand basically.